Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google Workspace account in a browser or the Gmail web app. Once signed in, click your avatar in the top right corner and choose Manage Your Google Account. Then navigate to Personal Info and find the Photo section. This is where you control the image that appears across Workspace apps. Do this first so you're editing the right account. If you're on a work-managed device, make sure you're not using a different personal profile before proceeding. You'll see options to upload a file or take a photo with your camera. Select Upload if you have a prepared image. Once uploaded, use the crop and zoom controls to position and frame the shot so it's clear at small sizes. Make sure the image is JPG or PNG and under your organization's size limit. If your admin enforces policies, you might see restricted options. In that case, contact IT. Once the preview looks right, you're ready to finalize the change. You finish by clicking Save. This publishes your new photo across Workspace apps like Gmail, Meet, and Drive. Once done, sign out and sign back in or refresh the page to force an immediate update and follow similar steps in the Google Account mobile app if needed. If the photo does not appear, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window, and remember propagation can take up to 24 hours. If restrictions remain, reach out to your Workspace admin for permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.